We're just gonna be doing some missions. Already seen that. We're just gonna do daily challenges and missions. So let's see what we got for challenges. Gunfight. All right. Get 5 wins in gunfight. Get 1 win in a public match. Get 50 kills with weapons with 1 attachment. 75 kills with assault rifles. Well, this looks like a double-edged sword here, so let's fight. Oh, nothing finder. Here we go. We're going into some gunfight, because that is the challenge. That is what's required of us. Let's see what my calling card is that I unlocked. Check with, it's like M16, M4, M4A1, is that what it's called? I suppose while we're waiting for everybody, we got for my sniper, the suppressor. Range is pretty good, I don't mind that. Ooh, black camo. Definitely looks a lot better. Alright, here we go. Gunfight. Stacks. Now, I'm not very good at gunfight. The last time I attempted this, I was by myself, and I went 3 and 5.
Eliminate our enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
Okay, I see a gun next to me. Oh boy.
All assets are secure on site.
Oh, see, man, I'm not very good. This is going to be a quick game. I have to win 5 times. Oof. Sorry, teammate. Not very good. There he is.
They are bleeding.
Yeah, we won that round. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Well, he's got a spider as a calling card. And I'd rather not have just this pistol, but... Oh, they've got, like, assault rifles.
Get ready. We're going back in.
Man. That's not a 6, I think it is. My dude just standing there? He was just standing there.
Seconds. Go. Capture that objective. Our wounds will heal.
Oh, come on. Enemy has more health? That's a thing?
10 seconds. Get ready. We're going back in.
Well, we've only won once, so we're not total losers. I think me and this other guy are not the greatest players, but
Good hunting. Get ready for the next one.
it's alright, boy, I'm in it.
Jackals, go hunt.
I'll go this rifle the whole way, man.
You're the last one. Watch your ass. Attack 3 this one. Get ready to go back out.
That shotgun sucks. Well, my guy really screamed on that one.
Our enemy hits match point. Fight back.
Oh my gosh.
It's over.
Yikes.
Report back to base.
Well, that's definitely not a win. Definitely not a win. Oh, we're gonna go back into it. We're gonna stay in it. We're gonna do it again because I have to. There is no other alternative, essentially. Yeah, I had another camo apparently that I didn't check out. It's for the desert. Ah, sights, why not? And an ugly desert camo skin, which I'm not gonna put on. And a new set of people. And the second highest in this lobby, which means nothing. Means absolutely nothing. Cargo. This is the new map they just added.
Gunfight.
So I've never...
Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win.
It's right in front of me. I don't know what gun that is, but I...
All assets are secure on site.
Where he was shooting.
10 seconds. They're willing to die for
Got
their
him.
mission. So be it.
Let's get it.
No one else. Complete the mission.
Oh my
Raise
gosh.
your weapon. We're not finished yet.
Wow. Totally. I don't know where he came from.
Kill them all or die trying.
So we're on the other side now. Oh,
10 seconds.
what a snapshot that was.
They're willing to die for their
Nice.
mission, so be it.
Apparently so are we. Or so am I. Nice, nice.
You are the last. Keep moving. Two wins down. Keep up.
Yeah. You got a javelin? He's gonna shoot me with a javelin?
Three up, three down.
Nice.
Keep fighting.
Could be a win. Could be. I say that not very confidently, but I say that. Oh, whatever. I was behind cover.
On to the next round. Pick it up.
He
Move to
shot
engage.
again. Shot him once. Well, at least it showed me shooting him.
They're making us fight for it. Give it to them.
No kidding, they're making us fight for it. Sorry about my raspy voice. Everyone at work is getting freaking sick. Just hope I'm not gonna be one of those sickies.
They're hurting. Send
go.
them home.
See, when I get a hold of the assault rifles, I'm good. I just have to get him a hold of the assault rifles first. Here we go, match point.
Match point. Another round and we have them.
Yeah, do I do it with a pistol? Not. Nice, that guy just
Our face and you.
stormed
well
and killed them both. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for this video, everybody. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it for this video, so thanks so much for watching. I didn't do the greatest. I didn't do the worst. Okay, I did pretty bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think about it. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me here on Twitch. And catch me every Wednesday night, starting at 6 p.m. Standard Central Time, for my lovely streams of the night. Anyway, I know, a lot to say. Whew, it's hard to remember all that stuff, but, anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.